The Archaeological Museum in Chanderi is home to century-old sculptures and stone carvings. It is located at the intersection of Mungavli and Isagar. This museum was established to preserve the rich heritage and culture of Chanderi. At a distance of 3 km from Chanderi bus station, Chanderi Museum is an archaeological museum located in the historical city of Chanderi, Madhya Pradesh. Situated at the intersection of Mungavli and Isagar, it is one of the popular tourist places in Chanderi. Built in the year 1999, Chanderi Archaeological Museum was constructed to preserve the remains of the heritage and history of Chanderi. The beautifully designed museum building is set amidst enchantingly landscaped gardens. The SI Museum has a collection of ancient sculptures, stone carvings, remains of the Jain temples found in Chanderi, Stone Age artifacts, and ornaments, remains of Jain temples from Budhi and Budhi Chanderi dating back to the 10th and 11th century can be found here, most of which consists of statues of different Tirthankaras. Chanderi Museum is inaugurated in year 2007. The museum collections are mainly derived from the detached architectural and sculptural members from the ruined temples of Budhi, Old Chanderi, dating 10th to 12th century and divided into 5 galleries, i.e. History of Chanderi, Jain Gallery, Anandam, Shiva Gallery and Dekbal Gallery. In addition to this, local explorations, local people, police have also do the contribution in museum collection. The most significant pieces are recovered from the Jain sites of Budhi Chanderi and Tuvarji. The Chanderi Museum has 2 floors. Ground floor, which has a Vishnu gallery, and first floor have been devoted to history of town, in which visitor is taken to the journey through the various stages of evolution of the town. One of the significant display in Chanderi Museum is the cut-off head of the statue of the Jain Tirthankar. Similarly, 9th century Varaha sculpture is another striking collection of museum. The concept, design and fabrication of the museum was undertaken by Astro Links, one of the most spectacular galleries in the SI Museum. Chanderi is the Vaishnav gallery that houses some amazing sculptures of the Hindu deity Vishnu and his different avatars. One of the exhibits not to be missed is that of the Varaha avatar of Vishnu. This beautiful sculpture is embellished with intricate carvings across its body. While Shiva and Shakta gallery is dedicated to Lord Shiva and Shakti, it has beautiful sculptures of Shiva and Shakti in their different forms. One of the most beautiful depictions of Shiva and Parvati shows the divine couple in an intimate moment. The Anandam gallery has Mughal paintings, inscriptions and other artifacts related to the various Mughal monuments of Chanderi. The gallery also has a collection of coins, weapons and other objects related to different dynasties that ruled over the region. Besides, the open-air gallery around the central courtyard is displayed around 10 inscriptions, the Sanskrit language, but in different script. Also, the museum has a library that houses around 3,000 books that provide more information on the history of this province. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. See you soon with an interesting episode.